This is a screencast from Devopera.com. Today we're launching a new virtual machine to help you develop, test and deploy Drupal websites. So here in our application section you'll find the Drupal virtual machine. You can download this virtual machine and expand it out, or you can have us build it so that it is set up on your servers. Everything you need to develop Drupal is here, including Drush, which is the command line tool for supporting Drupal. So after you've downloaded your VM, expand it out and you'll see a set of files that look a little bit like this. What you're after here is the VMX file, which will allow you to run it in VMware's Virtual Machine Player, Workstation, Fusion or ESX, and that'll expand out and run the VM. Now before you try and access the VM, you're going to need some credentials. Those credentials are all made available on our website. So I'm going to start logging in using SSH. All the credentials I need are on this page. So I scroll down to the SSH section, I can find there the passphrase I need, bring up an SSH terminal, and it's prompting me for that password. Great, and now I get the message of the day. Now we use message of the day as a way of passing information from the virtual machine back to you, the user. So it's telling us how many cores this machine has, how much RAM has been allocated to it, what operating system it was puppeted with, and the environment that's been set up by Devopera. Now, here you'll see a couple of other useful bits of information. There's the IP address. That's really useful when you want to SSH into the machine. The port that the different services are running on. So SSH is actually on a non-standard port for security reasons, which is 15022. Samba's running an Apache. So now we can use the IP address and the fact that it's running Samba to pop open a Samba view of this server. And there it is. There's a single share set up, and that's web. It will prompt me for username and password, but actually I've already entered them. And I can see here the complete set of files in web user. Crucially, I can see here the Drupal directory, which means that within only a couple of clicks I've got direct access to the file set that is being served by this virtual machine. Going back to the message of the day, I can see that Apache is running on port 80. So if I now go to a browser window, type in the IP address of the virtual machine, there's my Drupal install. I can log in, again with credentials from the Devopera page, and I'm ready to go.